In upcoming month, I am launching 4 different new shoemaking courses. The first one is loafers. Now, I am making this video first because until this Friday, I have a pre-sale, pre-registration for the loafers course with 30% discount plus special bonuses. You can find the link to this pre-sale in the description below this video. The pre-sale will be until this Friday, April 21. Second thing, why I'm making this video, I want to show you what is so special about this course, what we're gonna do in the course, and I also need your help to choose leather for the loafers, and I will talk about it in a minute. I personally love this footwear type because it's pretty easy to make and it's good start for beginners in shoemaking, and also it's a good practice for people who already made shoes. Although it's easy to do model, but there is few important rules and techniques that you should know to create beautiful and comfortable loafers. Because we want to have not loose sides in our loafers. We want that all proportion will be precise. In each loafer type, we have same construction. And you need to know how to create this construction that it will look good and it will also comfortable for you. And in this course, I will teach you how to design these loafers on the shoe last to have precise pattern. So at the end, you will have good construction of loafers that you can use to create multiply styles of loafers. Because we knowing just one style of loafers, you can create thousands of loafers with tassels, without tassels, with this board here, without it, with this line or without this line. You see, I have only a few examples here, but the styles of these loafers is unlimited. But when you will know the rules of construction of loafers, because in each loafer you will see same vamp line, same side, same top line of the vamp, and it's very important to design it and to create precise pattern. Another great thing about this footwear type loafers, it's unisex style. You can work with different shoe last types. For example, I have here men last, and I can design these loafers using men last or women last or different shape of the shoe last. For example, we also can create loafers working with pointed toe shoe last. So you have here many choices. If you're a woman, you can make loafers working with women last and create loafers for women. If you want to create men's loafers using men's shoe last, you will create loafers for men. In my course, I will teach you how to create elegant loafers working with this leather welt. But I also show you how you can change it and create loafers with casual look, with sport look, or any other. Also in the course, I will teach you how to create leather stacked heel working with vegetable tan leather. So you will not depend on any source to find proper heel. You will know how to create your own heels. I am already started to shoot this course, but I need your help to choose leather because I have few types of leather and I don't know what to choose. So let's talk about each of them. For example, this one, excellent sweat leather. I personally love to work with sweat, but it has few disadvantages. It's very easy to make it dirty, okay? So during work you need to be very accurate. But just look how it looks good on the shoe last, and I will use this shoe last so you will see. You can imagine what loafers could be working with this leather. I will use welt, as I already said. So imagine how what a summer loafer we will get here using this color. So this is option number 1, sweat gray leather. Next one is also sweat, but navy sweat. You see, this one also looks great on the shoe last, or this shoe last, or for example, if you will make women's loafers, it's also good look. Okay, plus this welt could be with this color, natural leather color, to create also summer loafers, or you know, alternatively I can dye it in navy color, and if I will choose this option, I will show it also in my course. Okay, and the next one is this crocodile leather. It's calfskin with a print of crocodile that I also love a lot. Oops, you see, let's see how it looks on the shoe last. I love it, you see, and you know, because I will teach you how to create loafers with tassels. Tassels I can make with this patent leather, so it could be great combination of materials. Alligator leather with patent tassels, or patent this, you know, this decorative element that loafers have. I need your help to choose which one to use. This crocodile, this alligator leather, calf skin with alligator print, this sweat, navy sweat leather, or this gray sweat leather. Okay? So comment below to help me which one to choose, and pre-sale again will be until this Friday, April 21, with 30% discount plus special bonuses. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my course. Bye.